Slip. To lose balance and slide a little. I slipped on the wet floor. Blow. To move air from your mouth. She blew out the candles. Trip. To fall forward after hitting your foot. She tripped over a small rock. Puff. To breathe quickly or blow small air. He puffed after running fast. Stumble. To almost fall. I stumbled but didn't fall. Plunge. To fall suddenly. The toy plunged into the water. Tumble. To fall quickly and roll. The child tumbled down the hill. Lean. To rest your weight on something. He leaned on the wall. Drop. To let something fall. He dropped the pen. Bend. To move your body forward. She bent to pick up the key. Grab. To take something quickly. She grabbed her bag and run. Slide. To move smoothly on a surface. The kids are sliding down the slide. Collapse. To fall down suddenly. The tent collapsed in the wind. Drag. To pull something along the ground. He dragged the heavy bag. Slam. To close something loudly. He slammed the door angrily. Float. To stay on top of water. The leaf floated on the pond. Hop. To jump on one foot. The child hopped like a bunny. Sink. To go down into water. The stone sank quickly.